भारत पाक संबंधों में जारी तलखी के बीच प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने स्पष्ट संदेश देते हुए कहा कि पाकिस्तान अगर भारत के साथ द्विपक्षीय वार्ता शुरू करना चाहता है तो उसे आतंकवाद से अलग होना होगा।
My vision for our neighborhood puts a premium on peaceful and harmonious ties with entire South Asia. That vision had led me to invite leaders of all SAARC nations, including Pakistan, for my swearing in. For this vision, I had also traveled to Lahore. But India alone cannot walk the path of peace. It also has to be Pakistan's journey to make. Pakistan must walk away from terror if it wants to work towards dialogue with India. Our strong belief in delinking terrorism from religion and rejecting artificial distinction between good and bad terrorism are now a global talking point. And those in our neighbors who support violence, hatred, and export terror stand isolated and ignored.
3 दिन तक चलने वाले रायसीना डायलॉग के उद्घाटन सत्र को संबोधित करते हुए मोदी ने विश्व के सामने भारत की जरूरतों और भारत के सामने विश्व की जरूरतों को भी बताया।
My fellow Indians spoke in one voice to entrust my government with a mandate for change. Change not just of attitudes, but of mindset. Change from a state of drift to one of purposeful actions. Change to take bold decisions. A mandate in which reform would not be enough unless it transforms our economy and society. A transformation that is embedded the constant drive to reform and transform India for prosperity and security of all Indians. Firmly anchored in India's transformational goals, friends, India is pursuing its transformation in unsettled times, which is equally the result of human progress and violent turmoil. For multiple reasons and at multiple levels, the world is going through profound changes. Globally connected societies, digital opportunities, technology shifts, knowledge boom, and innovation are leading the march of humanity. But sluggish growth and against trade and migration and rising parochial and protectionist attitude across the globe are also in stark evidence. The result, globalization gains are at risk and economic gains are no longer easy to come by. Instability, violence, extremism, exclusion, and transnational threats continue to proliferate in dangerous directions. Institutions and architectures built for a different world by a different world are outdated. The focus of this conference unnecessarily a new situation. The crucial question is, how do nations act in a situation where the frames of reference are shifting rapidly? Our choices and actions are based on the strength of our national power. Our strategic intent is shaped by our civilizational ethos of यथार्थवाद, realism, सहअस्तित्व, coexistence, सहयोग, cooperation तथा सहभागिता, पार्टनरशिप।
NMF न्यूज की रिपोर्ट।